Here is how to save specific pages of a Google Doc as a PDF. So let's get started. So Google Docs has a standard option of converting the entire document to a PDF. But let's say you only want certain pages. Then to do this, you have to click on File, that's in the top left, and now click on Print. So on the left, we have a preview of all the pages that will get saved. And on the right, we can decide whichever pages we want. So currently next to Pages, it's on All. But now click on it, and here you have options like odd pages only, even pages, or custom. So I'll select custom. And let's say I only want the second page. Then here, I'll just type in 2. After that, you can decide if you want it colored or black and white. And then on top, you have to ensure that the destination is Microsoft Print to PDF. So here, you may also see this option, Save as PDF. Just ensure that you're saving it as a PDF and you aren't actually printing it. And now if it's done, click on Print. Here just give a file name and select the path where you'd want to download it, and it's done. So if I just open the PDF, then here you can see there's only one page, and it's the second page of our document. So this is how it works, and if you want to know some keyboard shortcuts, check out this video. Goodbye.